What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Steven Universe from Steven Universe Future. Now we'll be drawing this character with the body slightly turned over towards the right. So let's start at the very top center of our page with the left eye. Starting from the top, we're going to draw an oval, going around to the bottom, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to move over towards the right and draw on the nose. So we're going to line up with the center of the eye, move over, start with a point. From here, we're going to curve out and then down, and we'll come straight down towards the bottom of the nose. Now let's move back over towards the left and draw two lines for the nostrils. Now we're going to draw that same sized oval in behind the nose for the right eye. So let's start at the very top, curve around, come down the side of the eye, and then back in behind the nose. And it will shift the pupils over towards the left. Let's start on the left side. Start with an oval. And then we'll line this up on the right. This is going to be tucked in behind the bridge of the nose, going up, down, and then out. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Underneath the left eye, we start by curving down, and then out towards the right side. Let's go back to the left and draw on the bottom of the mouth. We're going to curve down lower and then pull that up on the right side. Let's draw the top row of teeth. Starting on the left side of the mouth, curve down and then in to right about there, and then go straight up underneath the edge of the mouth. Now we're going to move back, curve out, and then down for the tongue. Let's draw the inside edge of the hair. From the left, I'm going to step out. I'm going to draw a large half oval, going up to the top, round this out, and then come down on the right side to the same height. And then we're going to bump out the right cheek. I'm going to curve out, down. I'm just going to pull that in underneath the mouth. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to add the sideburn, curve in, round it out, then go back up. And then we'll draw on the ear. Curve up and out, round up the ear, and then pull that in. Now from the bottom of the ear, we're going to come straight down the back of the neck, down towards the collar. Now we're going to curve down the collar, coming down, and then up underneath the chin, and we'll pull that straight up. Now I'm going to go back to the top and draw on the eyebrows. The eyebrow on the left is going to be raised up. So we're going to start with a curve from left to right, going up, and then down. Let's round up the ends, almost like drawing a bracket. And then we'll close off the top with that same curve, going up and then down. Now the eyebrow on the right is going to be lowered in an angle. So we'll start at the bottom, angle up and out. We'll round up the ends, and then we'll close off the top. Now we're going to move out and draw the outside of the hair. Let's start on the right side of the head. Start by curving out and then pulling that in. We'll add another curve going up towards the top of the head. Up and then in. We'll add a slightly larger one going across the top of the head. Up and bend that down. Now we're going to come down the left side of the head. Out and back in. Now we're going to add two more curves coming down towards the back of the neck. So let's start up here, curve around. I'm just going to pull this in just underneath the ear. And then one smaller curve coming down and pulling that in. Now from the bottom corner of the neck, we're going to draw the inside of the jacket. Let's start on the left side, curve across, and then down towards the bottom. Go to the right side and draw that same curve, going out and then down towards the same height. Now from the bottom, we're going to step up. Starting on the left, we'll curve down and then up to the bottom of the shirt. Let's move back to the top and draw the jacket collar. Starting at the side of the neck, curve out and then down. Underneath the chin, we'll go in the opposite direction. Now on the left side, I'm going to curve in and then down towards the inside of the jacket. On the right side, we'll curve down and then in. Now we're going to draw the left arm curving around with a hand inside the pocket. So let's start at the bottom corner of the collar, curve out, and then down towards the elbow. I'm just going to pull the forearm coming in, come down, and then in. Let's draw the edge of the pocket. From the bottom of the arm, curve up and in. Flatten off the end with a straight line, and we'll trace that same curve coming all the way down towards the bottom of the arm. And then from the top of the pocket, we're going to step down, curve the forearm, going up. I'm just going to bend that down, aiming towards the elbow. I'm going to step back and draw a short angled line going up. Let's finish off the jacket on the left side. Starting from the inside of the jacket, we're going to go out and then bend that up, and it'll go straight up underneath the arm. I just want to trace this curve just up above. Going across towards the inside. We're going to leave a little gap, and then come straight down. Now let's draw on the right side. Starting from the inside of the jacket, we draw a short curve going out and up towards the side of the body. Now from here, we're going to follow that same curve going up. I'm just going to pull that in, aiming towards the collar. And then from the outside point of the collar, I'm going to curve out the arm, come down, and just pull that in behind the side of the jacket. Now we're going to line up the top of the forearm on the right side. Just draw a short curve going up and out. Let's add the bottom trim of the jacket. From the inside corner, we'll step out, draw a short line going up, and I'll follow that same curve going out towards the outside. I also want to add that large star tucked in behind the jacket. Let's start in the center, start with a point, and go down and out towards the left, and then right, and then we'll go straight out in behind the edge of the jacket. And I'll move down in the middle, start with another point, and go down and out towards the left and right, just on the inside of the jacket, and go up and out. Let's continue working down with the legs. On the left side, the jacket's going to overlap the legs, so we're going to step in and go down and out towards the bottom of the leg. Now we're going to go over towards the right side. Creating that overlap, we're going to go straight down towards the bottom, towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the leg. Starting on the left side, curve down and then up. We draw that same length curve over on the right side. Let's go back to the inside of the left leg. We're going to follow that same angled line going up to right about there. And we draw an angled line going up and out, aiming towards the right hip. And then from the inside of the right leg, we're going to go straight up underneath the lower torso. And then we'll roll up the bottom of the pant. Taking this curve, stepping up, just going to trace that across on both sides. Let's go to the inside corner of the pant, step out, draw a straight angled line coming down towards the bottom of the heel. Do the same thing on the right. Stepping out, coming straight down. And then we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, I'm going to curve down and then up towards the toe on both sides. From the outside of the foot, we're going to draw a short line going up, and we'll trace the sole going back in towards the heel. And then from the top of the sole, we're going to bump out the toe, going out, and then up towards the bottom corner of the pant. Along the bottom of the foot, we're going to draw on the big toe with the strap going over. So right here, we draw a half circle, going up, and then down. Now at the top of the toe, on the inside, we go up, and then down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that half circle, and then from the top, we go out, curve up, and over the toe towards the bottom. And then we'll draw the strap going over the foot. Starting out here, curve up and out, step up, and just trace that across. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to draw two small curves for the toes on the outside. From one, step out, draw the second, and the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Steven Universe from Steven Universe Future. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.